Do know the drops and open kaya nga bang the drops through. Do news that and the shots because that SPOFS the shot by lost and both. Oh. Sige guys. Sige ng tinang phone fap tilang na ka wasted.
Ben tit ako yung tit mo pi.
Tit mga. Mafa fadis rat sindrang and uniu jaj beriu reading the sarosh ting kamdan but kapa but kunum nan bisa and spin biang or spin bit you can take dam ta and kapa ru ba panyo bisa bit balong bit na ditiar na rat piece kundu rat piece tai beriu nga from today onwards I don't even have a child and so sorry about that na kamong mga buwa kun beriu beriu siyo pa nang mga di ben kit kun rimu and plus maybe I can have a perfect husband. And I'm on life right now. I'm talking about the truth that I don't even have a fucking relationship with this ass. This is a fucking jerk. He doesn't even have a work. He doesn't have a job. He's just like a peddler. So I'm just being with this peddler right just for a few years. So I'm not talking about like bangan pin dumasu ni but it's just the fact that. But even though I have a son, but we'll just like sign out that after 18 years, I'm going to take back my son. For now, this is not happen bang and should take care mga namalbalay bang and should kitchen jar bang. It's not my fault bang and kitchen jar. Why should every woman bang kitchen jar te region jar and plus. Me, I'm crying on live right now. Like I'm dating Jinjalo, you stood there. From today onwards, I'm still single, and everyone who can like, I shouldn't say that I'm selling myself or something, but I'm still single. I don't and like my son. I'm having a son, a 4-year-old son. I'm sorry about this, but. It's no longer mine. Unyustat unri. Unyustat unye. Unyustat. Pani fa to kadur yung. Pani to kadur yung.
Kalai kadur yung.
Unye. He's a peddler and he's from I think so Meghalaya police. They really know him and I'm gonna deal. What a bitch really takes the hansle tayo kumbaga di ka bitch balne kakam kajam tayo even to SP lila phali ang adumino but I'm still waiting for the time but when that time is coming they will do that. So I'm so sorry for all showing my attitude and my rudeness and everything, but if everything happens for a reason. Stood up, yeah. I'm so sorry.